Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine, thank you. So, before going the course, I will check your attendance. The first, Nurul. Yes, thank you. Bowo. Okay. And Arif. Baby. Okay. So, uh, before study, let's pray together. Begin. Okay, before study, I want to ask you on the last week, the material. Do you remember, student? Okay, please raise your hand. Okay, Nurul, that's good. So, today we'll learn about recount text. Do you know what is recount text? Yes, Bo? Okay, good. So, recount text is a text that tells about something that happened in the past. So, I retell the story what happened in the past, like your experience. Okay, in the context has generic structure. There are the first orientation, second events, and the last reorientation. In orientation, usually introduction the participant, like introduction, place, and times. Uh, when the story happened or where the place in the story, and then events. Student, do you know what is event? Okay? Yes, good. Events describe series of events that happened in the past. The sequence of events in the story, okay, usually begins with first and second, and then after that, like that, okay. And the last, reorientation. Do you know what is our reorientation? Yes? Okay, very good. Reorientation stating personal comment of the story. Okay, like closing. Comment story from the authors. For example, that was the beautiful holiday, like that, okay? Okay, and then in recontext has language features, okay? The language feature used to write recontext are usually used to write recontext. The first, introducing personal participant. Usually, in introducing personal participant, use I, my family. For example, I and my friends went to Yogyakarta last year. Okay, and the second, using chronological events. Okay, usually like first, then after that, and the third, linking verbs. Was, were so okay, and the four action verbs usually look, go, chance. Okay, and the last simple past tense. Okay, okay. Uh, do you understand, student? Hmm? Yes. Are you sure? Okay. Uh, any question, please? Yes. Okay. In the context, uh, use two simple past tense. So the structure, subject plus verb one plus object. Because past tense, so uh, use verb two. For example, I and my friend went to Yogyakarta last month. Okay, this is when I and my friend went, not go. Okay, not go, but went. So when verb two, go verb one. So in the context, use simple past tense. When, not go. Understand? Really? Okay. Now, I want to ask you about recount text. Okay. Before, I will show you an example of recount text. Here is a recount text about PJ Habibie. So, I will ask you before that, read this recount text and I will give you five minutes, okay? 5 minutes to read, okay? Okay, so let's hear it. Time's up. Okay. After reading, please determine the general structure. Okay? From orientation, events, and reorientation. Okay? Okay. What do you think as orientation part? Okay? Yes, that's right. Very good. Okay. Professor Dr. Baharudin Yusuf Habibie, born in Prepare, South Sulawesi on June 25. Yes, that's orientation. Okay, next. What do you think as events part? Good. Yes. Okay. And the last, reorientation. Of course. Very good. Okay. Before enough, I want to give you assignment for work from home. Okay? The assignment you can write, you can retell, you can tell us about your experience, about uh, your experience what you happened. Okay? Uh, okay, and please the assignment collected next week. Okay? Next week. Yes. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for coming. Uh, See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.